Hi, I'm Jim Leitner. I'm a simulation specialist here at Weiser, and this is how we do preventative maintenance. In this case, we are PMing SimBaby, so we will start by checking seizure functionality. Depending on your style of mannequin, you may not have this feature. We will then check to assure the mannequin can be ventilated and has equal chest rise. This is a good time to check the tracheal obstruction functionality. We then inspect the eyes for pupillary response, eyelid functionality, and blink response. We check the I/O module. This one is unused. We perform a general inspection of the outside of the mannequin. A light application of talcum powder can reduce the noise from articulating parts. We inspect the cables for signs of wear and damage. We inspect the airway and the mouth for signs of damage. While we're up here, we can assure the cyanosis feature is working. Sometimes dimming the lights makes this easier to see. If your mannequin has this option, check the various breathing patterns such as retractions or seesaw respirations. We will then validate all the available airway features. Our SimBaby is equipped with tongue swelling, pharyngeal swelling, and laryngospasm. Other mannequins may have more or fewer features. We check all available pulses. We listen to the available body sounds. We perform a test shock to assure the defibrillation feature works. It's also a good idea to replace the shock link battery while performing this step. Some mannequins have a neck skin that may require replacement. This SimBaby is an all-in-one piece torso and neck skin design, but we can inspect the tracheal plug. We then open the mannequin and check the internal bladders and balloons. This is a good time to look for damaged or loose cables. Some of the internal air bladders can be inspected very closely when the chest skin is open. Our form also gives us space to document repairs performed or repairs that will need to be performed in the future. Weiser uses a task board available on Microsoft Teams that shows us what mannequins are due for preventative maintenance. Your facility may even use something as simple as a spreadsheet in Excel. Once PMs are performed, this mannequin will appear on the task board in 6 months, so it can be repeated. Thank you for watching our video on preventative maintenance. Please make sure to like and subscribe.